So first you want to go into your layers box and select a new layer, and then you go into your photos and select the photo that you want to add. Once selected, you are then going to go to your transform tool and go to freehand. From there you're going to outline the entire shape of the object that you want to create by using your pen tool. So I'm going very carefully around the edges of the shape, that way I can remove what I don't want from the background. Once selected, I'm going to click copy and paste at the bottom and go to my layers box and remove that bottom layer. So there's two ways to actually remove the additional background from your image. You can definitely use your eraser tool and kind of go in one by one to remove pieces of the background, or you can actually go back into your selection bar and click automatic, and then you can double tap in the areas you want to remove. It kind of picks up more of that color and removes it all at one time. You can actually change the intensity of how much you want to remove by dragging your pencil across as you are selecting it. It kind of speeds up the process of removing the background as well. Once you have everything selected that you want to remove, you then want to go to your tools panel and then go to cut, which removes the background. You can repeat this step over and over again to get the effect that you want, or you can kind of just use your eraser tool as well to kind of remove any remaining bits that you want to remove from that image. Once I'm happy with how I've cleaned up my image, I'm then going to go to my transform panel and use the uniform to actually scale down the image and place it on top of my sketch to get it in proportion. Once it's placed on top, I can then switch to either this distort or warp tool to kind of modify it to actually fit the sketch of my body of my croquis. That way it looks a little bit more realistic as I adjust it to actually look like it's actually being worn on the sketch.